Hello everyone. As we all know, the newer vehicles don't have a cigarette lighter port. Most newer vehicles have a USB port. However, there was a company, BGI, which made a USB powered cable for Garmin GPS units that you can use with your Garmin GPS using the USB port. However, what about the traffic? Most traffic receivers, such as the Garmin GTM25, 26, GTM60, all of these require a cigarette lighter port. I have the good news now that even the traffic receiver has been converted to USB by the good old BGI. They made it USB plugged traffic receiver. This is a GTM25. They have it for GTM60, for GTM26, 25, and so on. So let me introduce you to this so you can see what I'm talking about and what it is and how you can take advantage of it for your GPS unit. So this cable is basically this cable, but they took out this circuitry and put the USB circuitry instead. So this is exactly the same as this, but with USB power for the newer cars. All you have to do is you plug it in to the newer cars and voila, you are in business. You can get your GPS powered and receive lifetime traffic for whatever country you want it to be. They are normally for United States and Canada, but they do make some for European countries as well. So yeah, this is something that it was really handy, and I thought I should show it to you and explain how it works. So let me test this to see if it stands up for what it claims to be. So let's plug this in here, and we will power this. So the good thing about this is that you don't even have to have a car. You can use any USB port, a computer, or even a cheap $10, $20 battery bank. So let's plug it into this battery bank and see if we get traffic. And the unit is on, running. We have full charge here in the battery bank. And let's see if we get traffic. This is the moment of truth. Zoom out a little bit so you can see the full picture. Okay, so there's your traffic. So this cable has more subscriptions. It has for UK, but normally they only have for the United States and Canada. This has, you know, US, Great Britain, you know, Netherlands, Poland, Finland, Norway, Sweden, Italy, Belgium, France, Germany, UK. So yeah, this is a very powerful cable. Just the subscription is worth more than the cable. Alright, so let's see if we have traffic data. Okay, so the traffic data needs to be unwound in order to expand it in order for the traffic signal to reach. So I'm gonna expand this so it can get FM. See, this is FM traffic, and FM means frequency modulation. So it has to change the angle here and there in order to get the signal. So let's see. We wait. It should be a green vehicle, a green car, in a circle, a green circle with a white car. That means the traffic is receiving traffic. Okay, so it took like 30 seconds. I had to pause the video. It took 30 seconds because I'm indoors. I'm not outdoors. And there it is. Let me zoom in so you can see. And then I will zoom out. So there is my traffic. The green circle that I was talking about. That's my traffic. And if you click on that traffic icon, it tells you what's going on. traffic area, what's going on, if there's an accident or what have you, you know, all those things. Like here, if you go there, it says there's Ramona, there's some kind of a road work. So that's what it is. So now, as you can see, by the way, it's not connected to any external source. It's just the USB power. There, let me put this all together so you can see. So you can see everything in the picture. It's just the USB power, this little battery bank, USB battery bank, right? And there's the traffic from the USB battery bank. Anyways, this was something really interesting, and I wanted to show it to you because, you know, it's something that comes in handy for a lot of us. This is something really useful if you own a newer car. Now, if you have an older car, this doesn't make any sense. Although it does make sense if you are traveling in a bicycle and you want to see the traffic condition. The bicycles don't have cigarette lighter port. You can have a battery bank, a USB battery bank, and get your traffic on your bicycle. So there you go. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll put the link in the description so where you can get the cable, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.